In this video, we're going to look at 10 Irish words, and then I'm going to explain what these words mean in the Welsh language. I think you'll be surprised at some of the similarities. But first of all, I have some good news. Jascéile, good news. I have been asked by Darach O'Shea to be a curator on the Motherfoclóir Twitter account for 1 week. And of course, I was delighted to accept. For those of you who don't know, Darach O'Shea is Irish language Twitter royalty. He runs the wonderfully successful The Irish For Twitter handle, and he also has the Motherfoclóir Twitter account as well, of course, where a different curator comes on every week, and this week it happens to be my turn, which I'm looking forward to. So I will leave links in the description if you want to check out Darach's Twitter account and the one I'll be having this week, Motherfoclóir Dane is what it's called. Anyway, back to this video on comparing certain Irish words with Welsh words. Both Irish and Welsh are part of the Celtic family of languages, but they're from different branches. Irish is part of the Gaelic branch and Welsh is part of the Brittonic branch. Irish will have a lot more in common with Scottish Gaelic and Manx, and Welsh is going to have a lot more in common with Cornish and Breton. So let's start by looking at these two words here. So the Irish for pig is muck, and in Welsh it's muchin. The Irish for donkey, as you can see here, is ossel, and in Welsh asin. The Irish for cow is bow. In Welsh, buach. In Irish, squirrel is pronounced ura, and in Welsh, wewer. Moving on, the Irish for present is bruntanus, and in Welsh, unbresenol. The Irish for black is dove. In Welsh, dee. The Irish for cave is uamh, and in Welsh, agov. The Irish for big is mór, and in Welsh, maor. The Irish for green is gloss. In Welsh, gloss technically means blue, but it can also mean the colour of grass. So gloss in Irish is green, and in Welsh it means the colour of grass. The Irish for small is beag, and in Welsh, bach. So as you can see, Irish and Welsh do have certain similarities depending on the word, of course. This could be down to a common Celtic root, or it could be due to Latin influence. Anyway, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and I'll be back very soon. Slán tamam.